Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about creating your own wine room type DIY. So if you have an area in your room that has like a bookshelf that you're not using or a niche that you don't know what to do with, this is a simple idea. And what they've done is they've put the shelving actually in on a diagonal instead of straight, and then they've just stacked their wine bottles on it. It looks very simple but sophisticated, and it's very different, but I like the custom features. You know, you can also put like books or like a little statue here or something decorative, so it doesn't all have to be just for wine. But I do definitely like how the diagonal lines create this wine bottle area. I think that this is simple to do and anyone can do it in their home as long as you have like a little niche that you don't know what to do with or something like that. This is a great idea. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.